My name is Lilo. I'm 22 years old. I was born and raised in Thailand, where it's famous for the most delicious quality and quantity of rice. I graduated from University Transport and Communication, and now I have no job. But it does make me sad because I'm going step by step to reach my successful goal. And the first step I would like to follow is target to master English. But I enjoy to learn English in the master, and I'm happy to find my right way. And now I want to talk about how to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation. If you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time, try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. And don't bother worrying about your mistakes, and you stay with charming voices and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the tape. And it's important to make English learning a part of your daily routine. And you should take English as your food and learn from every mistake that you make. Thank you for listening. Bye.